Welcome back to episode 10, everybody. And we are working on repairing the car. This is a later intro because something bad happened. So, we gotta create suspense in the intro. We thought it was all downhill from here. That was before we snapped the bolt in the engine. Right here, it's snapped. As you can see, the bolt snapped. Watch it till the end, see what happens. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Let's get into the episode. Dude, I finally found the winter edition. I've been waiting like 3 months for these. The goal for today is to get the timing chain cover on.
Here's what we're doing today, since I actually know what we're doing. We gotta get the timing cover back on, which implies you have to put that stupid rubbery, liquidy, adhesive-y, like seal thing. I don't know what you call it. I call it the seal thingy. Also, oh!
This man just about caught himself on fire, or his finger anyway. Put it down. Put it down. No. I'm the only one who hasn't done anything stupid with it yet.
Yo, hang on. Let's light the bottom of it. Bro, we should puncture a hole in it and light it.
Hold up. I got one last. Hold up. We gotta do one thing. No, just trust.
I don't trust.
Yo, I bet you can't light my finger on fire.
Stop. Why don't we do this outside?
Oh,
All right, that was the last dumb thing. Okay.
Hey guys, no. Give me the light. Give me the light.
Yo, I'm regening.
All right, that had to be the last dumb thing we're doing.
No,
Stop.
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. What do we need to do? Josh, make sure this is flat. I think is what we need to do. All right, there's no more gasket on here, so we can go ahead and put on the timing cover. Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Oh, guys, there's still gasket on here. Someone didn't clean it off.
Oh, I thought he did. I was literally like, oh, is the gasket on there cleaned off? And he's like, yeah, I did it already.
Oh, wait,
clearly not. Yep. All right, time cover is pretty much on. We just got to put in 25 more bolts. But stuff, but we're getting there. All right, we back at it. All right, so the fender liner is in, the fender's on. Jackson got it on yesterday. He did a really good job with it. I don't know if you guys saw, but we have the alternator, one of the reservoirs on, and the power steering. They also got the power steering pump on. So good job with that. We got a lot done. Righty Tighty just became Righty Loosey. Oh no. Oh no. So we have a very no bueno situation. The bolt didn't need snap off in there. We knew that when Righty Tighty became Righty Loosey. We might be cooked. We don't know yet though. What do we look it up here? There you go. Gotta figure out how to get that out. Another day, another interesting thing. Dude, I wish I got that the snapping on video, bro. Where are we going? Oh, he's taking us down the clover. Oh, no!
You gotta keep those protected.
Hey, you got like 5 seconds to buckle up, ready?
No buckling up.
Stop turning like I'm rolling.
Cops on us.
No buckling up.
All right, we gotta get his reaction to this bolt. This one right here.
It's not. I'm gonna hurt something.
Oh, you didn't see with the light on too.
Well, beat. I'm gonna take this.
Hey, Josh, we just got back to church.
No.
No. This is on video, bro. He's getting it out.
Did that scare you?
He kind of jumped a little bit. Woo! Woo!
go! Let's go! Let's go!
Oh, my wallet fell out.
Ow. Scratch myself. Did I give you a 5-star?
Yeah.